Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting. We're going to various Goodwills to see what treasures we can find. We're here today in the city of Santa Ana at the Grand location. Let's go inside the store and check it out. But if you guys have thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, oh my gosh, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. And I'll be on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see whatever sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store and check it out. Hey guys, I am so shook because I just found this super cute Todd bag. They actually brought out a brand new cart of bags, and there's like a bunch of people looking at the bags. I didn't get to it till the very end, but this was just waiting at the very bottom of the rolling cart. So very excited. This is probably the most exciting bag that was on there too, so I was seeing what people are getting. And yeah, Todd's bags are very expensive, usually like $1,000 something, and this is only $12. So there we go, $12,000 bag for about 12 bucks. Okay, I'm looking through the place now because that's where I always go after the handbags. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's from Pier 1 too. I love the colors, but there's a giant chip in the corner. Oh, this is cool too. There's a giant plastic seashell serving thing. I don't know if they used to sell that at Pottery Barn. I feel like they might have. I know they had the glass one, which is really pretty. And I hope to find one of those one day at the thrift store. I think that would be really awesome. You guys, look at this cute smart music flower pot. How fun would this be? I remember in like elementary school we did those science projects to see like if music affected the growth of your plant. This would be perfect for that. Like you can have different plant pots playing different sorts of music, growing the same sort of plant, and seeing how that affects it. So cool. I also found this light therapy acne mask. I don't really have any breakouts. Is this still gonna work for me? Oh my gosh, her face cracks me up. She looks crazy, but I love it. Oh, she's kind of cool too. The Visco Girl's Dream reusable straws in a container with a cleaner. This is cute. Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house and I'm really excited to share with you guys what we ended up getting today from the thrift store. So we went to the Goodwill and it was over at the one in Santa Ana off of Grand, and I love that store so much. And I feel like every time I go there I always find like little treasures that I don't ever expect really to see there, because I don't know. Like I found my track record at the store is actually pretty good, but every time I go there I'm like, ooh, I wonder what I'm gonna find. It's just like the thrill of the hunt is always like a real when I'm there. But I wanted to show you guys this first and foremost, and this is like a Visco Girl's Dreams. I don't know if you know what a Visco Girl is. When I posted about it on Instagram, a lot of you are like, well, like what's a Visco Girl? Anyway, they are, I don't really know the definition, but they do love saving turtles and they love reusable straws. And this one is really cool because it is actually a glass canister full of metal straws, and it also comes with a straw cleaner as well, which is really nice. This whole thing was only $3.99, which I think is such a deal. I think everything inside is actually brand new too, so that's like really awesome. Let me just check it out though. Let me take off this tape. I've never taken, I actually should have checked it before, but so you open it up, all the straws actually look like they're brand new, so that is super duper cool. And it comes with a cleaner, which is awesome. This is only $3.99, and you know that like that metal straws are not that cheap, and this comes with a bunch of them. I think there's at least 10 in here, so that's awesome. So I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. It's gonna be great, and it looks really cute too. Like I think like just the overall look is really nice as well. Plus we're getting to use those reusable straws, which is awesome and perfect and great for the environment. So I'm very excited about that. Then the next thing, I only bought 2 things at the store, but this one is really good. So You guys already know what it is. But when I first walked into the store, they actually just brought out a new cart and everyone was already like looking through it. And there was a bunch of people at the cart just like going through everything. And I was like, ooh, like I didn't like want to like push my way in. So I was kind of like just waiting. And most everyone left, and I was just like picking through the rest of the bags. And at the very, very bottom, this was just like sitting there. And I don't know if it's because like a bunch of like older people were looking at the cart, and like maybe they couldn't bend all the way down. I don't know, but this was just sitting there waiting for me. And from all the bags that I saw, this was probably the very best one in the lot. And it is this beautiful Todd's bag. You guys, the leather on this is so soft. I'm pretty sure it's probably a lambskin, just by how supple and beautiful the bag, like the leather is. It has all these pockets on the front, which I really like. These are like very modern, very cool, like very right now. Fendi did like a cool like take on the peekaboo with like a bunch of pockets on the very front, which I thought was really awesome. And I feel like this looks kind of like that. So very excited. Todd's bags are really expensive, and I'm sure this one was probably at least $1,000. It is missing the little, there's like a little leather pull that should be right here. That's easy to replace. You can just put something else on there. The inside is actually in really great shape. There's one zipper pocket right there. And then this was only $12.99. So for like $1,000 bag for $13, I feel like this is an amazing deal. A beautiful, beautiful bag. I don't know, Mom might even actually like this because the strap is actually really nice. It's really great on your shoulder, and it's nice and holds a lot. And the leather, again, is super duper soft, and the bag is in this great shape. And again, I just love all these pockets. They are so super cool. Ooh, there's something in here. I don't know what that is. I think this is for a headphone. I'm just gonna throw that out. But yeah. So awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm still in shock that this bag was there. Like the week before, we got that black Miu Miu and like the Tory Burch and the Marc Jacobs. And then today, we got this Todd's bag. So this is just very exciting for me. And it just goes to show that you can find some amazing, amazing stuff at these thrift stores. So that is gonna end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. It was a blast. I'm so excited about the Todd's bag, and I'm so excited about these straws. It's like I won an award. The Fiscal Girl Award for straws. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video, bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! See, got a lot of more plays since I was here yesterday. Like a lot more. I went through them, but there's a lot of Christmas plates and nothing that's really jumping out at me. These plates are kind of cute though, that say ho 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 with the Christmas, or with the Santa hat. St. Nicholas Square, 'tis the season. Just looking for some crystal. Ooh, one of you guys this morning messaged me telling me that you found like this like baccarat crystal decanter, which is amazing. Oh my gosh. And then I was on Instagram again, and then someone else also found a baccarat crystal decanter, and I was like, where are all these people finding baccarat crystal decanters? Not here. Oh, stop it. Do you see that? Tiffany. Stop! Oh my gosh, I am so dead. Please be more Tiffany. This is not more Tiffany. I think maybe this one? Yes! Oh gosh, you guys, I'm like literally crying right now. Is there a third option? No. Oh my gosh, crystal! Tiffany's crystal! Am I like being bamboozled? No, this is Tiffany, right? Yeah, it does. Yes! This is so exciting! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's like literally like everything. I just see if there's anything else that I'm missing.